Hello! To fix your Bluetooth connection issues on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all let's go into the settings, go into connections and Bluetooth, and in case you cannot connect to your device, you can simply try disabling the Bluetooth and turning on Bluetooth back again, and then you might be able to connect to it. In case you still cannot connect to the device, I recommend to go into the settings and unpair your device and try pairing it again, and after that everything the connection should be alright. But in case you cannot actually pair your device with your phone, you can also try disabling the Bluetooth, turning on back again. You can also try scanning again. In case the scan process is stopped, you can simply press the scan button to try to search for this device again. And in case if you still cannot find your device, what I recommend to do right now is to go back to the settings, scroll down, go into the general management, and go down again, go into reset, and right here we have the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings option. So let's simply go in here, press reset, and that's simply resetted the settings of the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, most importantly the Bluetooth one. So you can try again going back into this connections Bluetooth and try again to pair the device, to look for the device. And if it also doesn't work, I recommend to go into the battery right now, and some battery saving options might actually limit the Bluetooth connections, Bluetooth connectivity. So in case you have power saving option turned on, I recommend to turn it off and try again. And if it still doesn't work, you can also try turning, in case you have turned on this or airplane mode, you can simply turn it off to again try to connect to the Bluetooth. And if it also doesn't work, I recommend from here to restart your device. You can either restart your headphones or speakers, whatever you're trying to connect to, and you can find how to do it for your device, how to perform reset for your device, for your speakers or headphones. And you can also try to reset your phone, restart it by pressing and holding the power button to go into the power menu, or simply you can go into the power menu from this quick settings panel right here, and you can press this restart button to restart your phone and try again like this. So that's basically all the tips I can give you to for the connectivity issues. If something doesn't work, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.